What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to block some specific countries to do things into our WordPress website. For example, imagine that you do not want registrations from persons from Russia, for example. This video gonna explain how to do this for free, without coding, without paying, without needs to download a bigger database and complicated things like APIs or things like this. So it's a beginners friendly tutorial explaining how to block specific countries to do things on your site for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in order to use internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is navigate to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus and hover a mouse over plugins. Just a note before this, in the case that you want to know the bad source of traffic on your site, go to Google Analytics, open your site and search for traffic by country so you can review this, okay? But now let's go WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new, review the upper right side of our screen. Next to keyword, you're gonna click on search plugins and type stop spammers security. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. If you find the plugin here, you just can click into settings, or as you can review, next to tools into the left sidebar of menus of your WordPress, you're gonna be able to find a new button called stop spammers. Click right, hover your mouse over it and click on protection options, okay? Right here, we're gonna scroll this page down, scroll and until we can find the very end of our screen. And right here, all we have to do is select the countries that you would like to block for accessing your site. Imagine that you are receiving tons of spam, tons of registrations, tons of bad traffic from Russia, for example. So you can find Russia right here. Right here, and save your changes. Just a note, this may not block the person from accessing your site, for loading your site. However, it not gonna let this person to do actions on your site. For example, submit forms, try to login page, try to purchase products. So this can fix most of the potential problems. But if you do want to learn how to block persons for do things on your site, let me know into the comments so I can do a guide for you, explaining specifically how to make your site not loadable for these countries, okay? But it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case you don't have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borders plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up your site for free, or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that can help you customize your site, or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or Sites.gallery, a place where you can promote your site for free. And in the case that you want to go premium, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, in addition to premium blocks, assets, templates, plugins, support and many more features. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best!